away. I'm really tired. And it's a travel day.
What about how?
And we ran out of propane. For some reason, in Tennessee, it's 30 degrees out. That's why we escaped Pennsylvania, so we didn't have to deal with this stuff. Yep.
So when did we run out of propane? In the daytime?
No.
Oh.
Probably the early morning, because it only dropped down to 60, so, and it's 30 degrees. So if you do your math right, carry the 2, 4, yeah, I don't know. Everything's working. Be right back.
It is cold. So it is 37 degrees right now. It is 9:47. We just hooked up. We did the pool test, so we are good to go. He's just checking the lights and stuff, and then we're gonna hit the road over to Little Rock, Arkansas. It is just a little after 6 and we are heading out. So this is the earliest that we've ever left with the new rig. So we are in just outside Little Rock, Arkansas, and we are gonna start our way over to Texas. The boys are in their pajamas with blankets. Dogs are ready to go. Let's hit the road. Oh yeah, you're right, it is broken. What about the other one?
But I want this one.
Maybe we can put it on the other one?
No, that's broken things too.
It is.
Yeah.
Maybe we should take care of our toys, right? So it is gorgeous here today. It's a little breezy, sunny, clearly, and definitely can wear t-shirts, which is nice.
What the heck?
So we are just out here playing in this beautiful weather, and Comment's enjoying it too. Leave a comment. So another funny thing is yesterday, Pete and the boys went for a walk. Believe it or not, there's actually signs. I mean, this is all new to us because we've never ever been to Texas before. The sign said that caution wildlife in this area, and it says watch for snakes. So I do not like snakes at all. Going too fast, kid.
It's nice because because there's like nowhere to go here. So like we could just ride around here and stuff. So it's perfect, big yard.
Just make sure you pay attention to cars coming in and out. You go facing? He's running his bike over there. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Look what you guys got.
Easter.
Lynn and Debbie.
Yep.
These are from the clients that Daddy and Mike are working at right now. Isn't that awesome?
What?
Wow.
But you guys, the deal is you have to bring these buckets with you tomorrow.
Okay. Well,
Oh my goodness.
can we open them all?
We can't open them all. You don't want to get a bellyache.
Chocolate bunny. Sweet tarts and Laffy Taffies.
Yeah, I'm excited he is.
So that was so sweet of
That was
them.
awesome of them.
Uh-oh. More than
What?
chocolate.
Chocolate.
So if they're watching, what do you boys say?
Thank you, Lyndon Debbie.
What do you say, Payson?
Happy birthday.
I don't think it's happy birthday. I think he means thank you. It is Easter. You silly goose.
Happy birthday.
No, Payson, you say thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday. How did the Easter bunny get here?
What do you mean, how did he get here?
because we were so far.
Oh, because we used to live in Pennsylvania and now we're traveling. We're in Texas. Is that why? Because they know. They know where you are. They always know. Right, Liam?
Yeah.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Just gonna go check out your baskets and see what Easter Mike brought you?
Oh, I didn't see that. Chalk. Yeah. Facing. Sand. Triangles. What's M&M's? That's like M&M's. Like Hershey's M&M's.
Yeah.
P.
Yum. I'm gonna eat those Hershey M&Ms too. Mm-mm.
Can you open this? And then sand.
What is that thing?
It's a bird.
It's sand?
Yeah, it's sand.
I don't think it's
You
sand.
sure about that?
Yeah, it's
'Cause
sand.
I see the word says trolley on it. Isn't trolley those gummy things you like? Those sour gummy worms and stuff you like?
Well, also, it may be from the movie Troll.
Oh.
Yes.
Payson, just wait.
What the? There's one in my bike? That's a bad idea. I'm just gonna get it out of my bike. What the?
Remember, it's not a race.
Oh, man. That's bad.
Maybe.
Why is there always candies in this egg? Sometimes there's like those one little toys. I don't like Reese's, so that one's.
What?
I don't like Reese's, so that one should be for you.
Who doesn't like Reese's peanut butter eggs?
Oh, yum yum yum.
Did you get Twix?
Yep. Oh, I'm picking Twix. I'm picking that. Twix is my favorite.
Happy Easter. So today is Easter and the Happy Bunny the Happy Hoppy Bunny came for the boys this morning. He left Easter baskets for them inside and he even gave them a little egg hunt outside. So we were just finishing up our egg hunt and they opened up their...
Over there.
What?
The Easter bunny pooped.
What?
Yeah.
What did he do?
The Easter bunny pooped.
Oh man. Are you gonna clean it up? It's just a little smoky in here. I was making funny cake and this is supposed to be a residential oven. Which yes, because of the space, like you can see how big it is.
It is a residential oven.
Yeah, but residential ovens don't cook like that.
You did not use micro pie pans.
So I didn't pack my original pie plates that I had at home. So I bought these at Walmart and I guess because the pie plates aren't deep enough, it actually, like the chocolate that's usually on the bottom is like spewing out the side. So it pretty much burned and then like down there it like caught fire and it's just been like a mess. So every day is an adventure. It's just a little smoky. The kids like took off. They were like scared to death. They ran outside. So it's just a little smoky in here, right guys?
Yeah.
Miniature horses have been in the United States since about the 1800s, about the mid-1800s. They were bred from full standard horses. So this is not a pony. This is a miniature horse that's been bred down from full-size horses. They were here in America for two primary reasons. One, to get the coal out of the ground. Then also, the very aristocratic families thought they were awfully fun and cute to have around. So when they discovered that the miners had these cute little animals going down into the mines and pulling up that coal, they decided they might need one in their backyard. One of the reasons they make really great therapy horses, and she's not acting like a really good one right this minute because she's more interested in grazing, is that they don't have the temperament of the typical pony. These horses have much gentler, as a whole, every pony, every horse has its own individual personality, but as a rule, these horses are real gentle and really love people. They really love bonding with people. And some horses don't mind crowds at all. Some miniature horses don't mind crowds. And some miniature horses love to have a person. And those horses make really good, not just therapy animals, but service animals.
Oh,
Oh, she's shopping. She's shopping for some candy. She loves sugar. So, anyway, they are turning these animals into long-term care animals for those who might have physical challenges, because they live to be 30 up to 40 years old. So here's what we're going to do for the egg hunt. There's enough eggs out for at least 10 per child. All right, 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Go!
You want to see?
Here, you want me to lift you up?
No, hold on.
I don't want you to fall. You got it? All right. All right, let's go all the way down
Can
to
I
the
get
other
this one from here?
Okay, you only get one more, Payson. Come on.
Over there?
We're going to go all the way down to the other side now, all right?
what's really cool is the clients, their neighbor, put on this awesome egg hunt. So just so incredibly sweet. I mean, this is awesome. They have 3 miniature horses and they're just so cute. They're wearing like bunny ears and stuff. The kids are having a blast. This is so great. I was worried about what the holidays would look like for us, and this is awesome. Yeah, right?
I like Easter eggs.
Oh, there's 2 treats. Oh, this? Oh, where's it? I'm gonna pick this one.
Wow, that was really nice of her. Oh my goodness, so sweet.
Almost. There you go. Grab the limb. There you go.
What do you say, Liam?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you can hold on to it and stand up.
Oh my goodness. He's always asked for like a tree fort. I feel like these are like the perfect trees to have a tree fort
Yes,
in.
you could have some great ones here.
Well,
You gonna go up anymore or just you're good there?
See the caterpillar right beside you? Look at him on his...
He gets scared.
Oh. He won't hurt you. Right there.
Yeah.
Look. See? He won't hurt you. He's just on his little web thing. You get to come drive.
Oh my goodness.
I have to give you a lesson. Come here. Okay, so you're going to sit right here, okay? Okay, right there. Now you know how to work a steering wheel?
yeah.
Okay, so you got that. Okay? I'm going to do the pedals for right now. So you just do the steering wheel, okay? You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. There you go. There you go. Turn it back out. Hey, you're good at this.
Where's the ball? Oh, right there.
Get the ball, Liam. Get the ball.
Definitely enjoying this Texas weather. It is gorgeous here. What do you think, Liam?
I love it.
Yeah.
And there's even like a little volcano mountain right there.
Yeah, it kind of looks like that, but it's not a volcano mountain. It's just a mountain.
I call it
Which
volcano.
I honestly thought Texas was more... I mean, it's flat. I mean, I really just thought Texas was flat. There's actually some gorgeous views here.
Where's my flip-flop? Get in. A flip-flop.
What's your boys doing?
Drawing, clock, and playing.
Wow, we got quite the setup over here. You want to explain some of this to me? What's going on here?
I made this whole road going down to this neighborhood. That's Faison's house. That's just like a place for the lake. Then this is my house. This is up for sale right now.
Did you know this can hook up
No, this can hook up.
What's this?
I can hook it up. And razor goes right there. Easy.
That's some kind of setup right there. We got the truck hooked up and we are just about out of here. We're gonna stop at Buc-ee's. I've never been there, I've heard about it. So we're gonna stop there before we head over to our next destination. They're so cool, there's so many. This guy right here is huge. He's got some big old horns on him. Look, they're right here, they came to us. Oh my goodness. Look at him. He's so cool.